This video will take you through the process of adding an attachment to a receivables invoice. So you can see we have the worksheet configured to my production requirements, and then we navigate across to the attachment section, the header attachment section. If we knew the values, then we could type them directly into the cell. If we don't, and we need some assistance, we can use the data forms for that. So we can go ahead and select the attachment type, and you have three options: file, text, or URL. In this case we'll select text, we'll select the category, and then we'll add the text content. Then we will use the form again and use the upload action of create, and we'll add a file this time. Add the category, search for the file, select the file, and add that. So we have the invoice with the two attachments. So we'll go ahead now and create the invoice with the attachments included. And as we can see, processing is complete. The attachment statuses have been accepted. So essentially we've created the receivables invoice and added a text and a file attachment to it. And we'll just take a look in Oracle, and we can see that we have the two attachments, the PDF and the text attachment.